condolence that I'll read, because Mercy Wanjau is the secretary to our cabinet, and therefore the president, myself, the prime cabinet secretary, and our cabinet colleagues have come in solidarity with her, because we are one family as cabinet. And what happens is that a family stays together, and when one of us is down, we hold his or her hand. Kwa huo masituoka na Gachagua kukugiria we na family ya nyuma ithori tondu cio niguo mutugo witu niguo Ngai endaga riria umwe witu ararira tukanyitanira. I have listened to the eulogy of the late Susan Muthoni, a great educationist who has done a lot of work to mentor our young people, to teach them and mentor them into responsible people in society. And we salute her. She was also in real estate investment, and she has done very well. Above all, I did not get a chance to meet her, but I must salute her as she lays here, as we escort her, for bringing up her children well. And I have a testimony because Mercy Wanjau, her daughter, works with us. Na mugikuya ugaga gimayo magako. Gimayo magako. So when we work with Mercy, a very efficient public officer who runs our cabinet in terms of preparation, in terms of minutes, in a very efficient manner. So we see signs of good upbringing. Mercy is also a humble public servant. She works well with the president, with me, with the prime cabinet, with her colleagues, with everybody. And therefore we must say that the parents of Mercy brought her up well. And therefore we salute our mother who lives here today for that good upbringing. And it is good for us to clarify when the cabinet was dissolved. Mercy, the secretary to cabinet, was not touched, because people have been asking, Mercy yako wapi? So there was no need to reappoint her because she was there from the word go. So I have seen many people, all sorts of analysts and newspaper people and commentators commenting about gains and losses. Which region got what, which one lost, which one didn't, who is strong, who is not. I think the whole thing is a win for the people of Kenya. And for us as a region, we are very happy that Mercy adds our numbers. And we are very proud of our performance from a daughter of this region and her commitment to public service and assisting the president in the management of the affairs of this country. I want to say that let us all remain united as a country. We have just gone through very difficult periods. In moderate, I agree with you 100%. That those who took advantage of well-intentioned peaceful protests to loot property, to steal, to maim, to hurt, those are idiots. I agree with you. They are even more idiots and more idiotic as those who try to take advantage of the whole scenario to settle political scores with those they don't support or those they have a problem with. Trying to apportion blame, trying to say this and that. Those are even more idiotic than those idiots. And I agree with your sermon entirely. Let people know that Kenyans are also very intelligent people. People of this great country have come of age. They see from far, they analyze, and they know. As you speak of any situation, have tremendous respect for the people of Kenya. People are not foolish. There is no shortage of fools in this country. People are fairly intelligent and very analytical. And the ordinary Kenyans are ahead of us leaders. They know many things. And they see. And they can tell. And they understand. Let us respect the people of Kenya, because the people of Kenya are fairly intelligent people and they know very many things. I want to take this opportunity to really thank Professor Junu for your very outstanding performance at the National Treasury. I want to say we are very proud of you as our son from this region. We know where you found our economy and your stewardship of the National Treasury. As you hand over to the new nominee, walk with your head tall. You worked hard for late hours. You came to cabinet and presented clear and concrete proposals. As our son, we are really, really very proud of your performance and your achievement. And let me encourage you that when God closes one door, God opens another door. And we wish you well. But you, as you retreat, know that we are very proud of your achievements. I had the order from Nairobi West. I don't know. The last time I checked, Nairobi West PCA was the only church in Nairobi preaching in Gikuyu. Is that still the situation? Let me tell you, Elder, I heard you complaining that in Nairobi you must take care of your bag. In the village here, we don't have such problems. Welcome to the village. Here, we know each other. So, you don't even have to bother who is seated next to you. Here, people kila mtu wanajuana. And even those who can take your bag, they are known. Na hata your bag ikipotea, we know where to go for it. So, karibuni kwa kijiji. Msikuwe na wasiwasi hapa. Maybe mkirudi Nairobi, you can take care of your bags. Lakini hapa tunakaa vizuri. Kati watu wetu. Kone tuwe ide. Utire mundu oyaga kindu kiene oe kaine kinya kahe kanini mutimio ngioya kibeti kia oya mariganitie ni oe kaine koguo ni guku gicagi tutikorwa mathina maingi tuikara maisha mega muno twagio kana iro